Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow I leave for New Orleans and all that's left to pack are my clothes, which are scattered all over the place. I guess I'm just gonna do like a really quick sped through video of me packing up my clothes. And then I have to, everything else is packed and ready to go. We just have to put it in the car. So I guess that's what we're gonna be doing. Let's get started. So far, this is what I have, plus all the clothes that are out on the floor because those are the new ones. I'm going to quickly go through my drawers really fast, and then, yeah. Hi, handsome. This is my baby. Okay, so this drawer right here is basically filled with shorts and stuff, which I really don't think I need because it is going to be cold. But I mean, I can always come home and get them. So I think I'm just gonna leave that drawer for now. Here we go. Hey guys, so screw it. This is what I'm bringing. Like, it's way too much, but I don't care. That just means less laundry that I have to do, I guess. Or does it mean more? I have no idea. But I wear all of these things and I can't pick. So I'm just gonna bring them all. Now I just have to figure out that garbage bag trick where they're wrapped up but the hangers are still out. I don't know how to do that. And then that's it, we're done. We can pack the car. So, here we go. I'm currently watching how to move clothes in a garbage bag so that I can deal with this stuff. Hey guys, good morning. It's currently like 8:15-ish. And it's road trip day. I'm so tired. I went to bed at like 3:30. I'm driving by myself, so it's gonna be a boring boring 6-hour drive. Okay, we are officially off to New Orleans. So this road trip is going to suck. This morning I was supposed to wake up really early to go get my oil changed and take the dog to the boarding place, but I made my dad do that and then I slept more. So I just woke up. It's currently 11:50, so we should get there 12:51, like 6. We should get there like 6 p.m. depending on the traffic, I guess. But yeah, I will update y'all every hour or so about how this road trip is going. So stay tuned, and move-in vlog will be tomorrow. Bye guys. Officially hit the 1 hour mark. Hey guys, so we are on hour 2 now. Hey guys, so we officially just crossed the state line and we are now in Louisiana. So it is 2:07. So we still got a good like 4 hours to go, but we're doing good. Hey guys, we are on hour 3. Yes, hour 3 now. Hey guys, so we are coming up to hour 4. Oh my god, look how foggy it is. You can't even see anything out there. That's so weird. That is so weird. Look how foggy. Okay, it is 3:55, so we are at our 4 hour mark, which I think we're doing pretty good still. Stopped for some gas. We're at Love's. We are currently stuck in ridiculous traffic. You bring me comfort to my soul. Okay, it is now 4:50-ish. So what, we're on hour 5 there. I just exited for New Orleans, so soon. I'm almost there. Finally. Okay, y'all, it is now hour 5. We are officially in New Orleans. We should be there in about 15 minutes or so at the hotel. It is pouring outside, so very good welcome to New Orleans. But yeah, we made it. We're here. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. Here is the Superdome.